artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence, AI, is the ability of computer systems to perform tasks that historically only humans could do, such as reasoning, discover meaning, making decisions, solving problems, or learn from past experience. Moreover, AI technology can also process large amounts of data in ways unlike humans. History. The earliest substantial work in the field of artificial intelligence was done in the mid-20th century by the British logician and computer pioneer Alan Turing. In 1935, Alan Turing published his work Computer Machinery and Intelligence, which eventually became the Turing test, which experts used to measure computer intelligence. The term artificial intelligence was coined and came into popular use. During World War II, Turing was a leading cryptanalyst at the Government Code and Cipher School in England. He built a device able to use logic to decipher one of the most difficult German ciphers, Enigma. We can say that all modern computers are in essence universal Turing machines. Since the development of digital computer in the 1940s, it has been demonstrated that computers can be programmed to carry out very complex tasks, such as discovering proofs for mathematical theorems or process large amounts of data. Some AI programs have attained the performance levels of human experts and professionals in performing certain specific tasks, so that artificial intelligence in this limited sense is finding applications as diverse as medical diagnosis, computer search engines, voice or handwriting recognition, and chatbots. Still, despite continuing advances in computer processing speed and memory capacity, there are yet no programs that can match full human flexibility over wider domains or in tasks requiring much everyday knowledge. AI is a fantastic tool, and it's important to use it for positive reasons, to help people and make our planet a better place.